Well, nearly 1 million Ohioans are at least partially vaccinated against COVID-19 already, but who will get the next shot at immunization?
And how long until everyone is eligible? WCPO 9 News reporter Kristen Swilley shares what we're learning about the next phase of the rollout locally and across the Buckeye State.
Most public health officials don't expect categories to open up until more states get a lot more vaccine in the next several weeks. But once that happens, who's next? Well, that's yet to be determined.
We're anxiously awaiting clarity on this.
It's all eyes on vaccine supply. Eligibility will extend to those 65 and up later this month.
The feedback we're hearing from the state is that the current levels are probably going to be consistent for the next few weeks, at least likely through the end of March, and maybe by April we will have the opportunity to have much more change.
Who's next in line hasn't been announced, but Kate Schroeder, the Health Collaborative Special Advisor on Vaccine Coordination, expects it to continue to be based on age and medical condition.
They'll be making decisions based on categories. Who is most likely to be impacted by this, and how can we vaccinate those that are most likely to die?
How long it's going to take really depends on how fast vaccines come in.
Ohio Governor Mike DeWine says he'd love to expand eligibility as quickly as possible, but that's contingent on shots Ohio simply doesn't have on hand.
Today we don't have that. And so what we have to do today is to be careful, worry about equity, worry about fairness, and most of all, worry about saving lives.
While we wait, Schroeder says keeping an appointment-based system in place should help Ohio avoid the long lines seen nationwide and get shots in arms as efficiently as possible.
They're ready. This is our light at the end of the tunnel, and we are going to keep working hard together as a team, as a community, to get these shots out there as quickly as possible.
The all-hands-on-deck approach is set to expand next week as members of the National Guard start going into senior centers. Kristen Swilley, WCPO 9 News.